Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Intan from Global Instant Relief Indonesia. Alhamdulillah, currently we are distributing 100 Ramadan package or Ramadan parcels for 100 poor families in Gandapura Subdistrict. Gandapura Subdistrict is located 100 kilometers from North Aceh and is one of the poorest area in Aceh province. And most of the people live in the sub-district working as the farmer, and it's not even the farmer in their own land, but they are working for someone who has land and get paid during harvest, and also the one who go to the rice field for the plantation. So we want to show you the content of our package. So Alhamdulillah, each family, they will get this full pack of eggs, 30 eggs. And then they will receive one box, and in the box they will have 2 packs of noodles, 2 packs of margarine, 2 liters of cooking oil, 2 kilograms of sugar, 2 condensed milk, biscuit, kurma, as well as 15 kilograms of rice and 8 kilograms of flour. So this whole package, Alhamdulillah, hopefully can cover their need for the full month. And thank you very much for all donors, and everybody here are wishing you all the best. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Saya dari masyarakat Payabaru, nama saya M. Nur, pekerjaan saya pergi ke sawah atau petani. Saya sangat merasa bahagia, senang bisa mendapatkan paket ini selama bulan Ramadan. Alhamdulillah, bagi bapak-bapak atau ibu-ibu yang telah berikan paket sembako untuk kami ucapkan terima kasih banyak. Moga-moga ke depan bapak bisa kembali lagi untuk memberikan paket seperti ini.
Nama saya Nurjana, umur 65 tahun. Pekerjaan jualan kue. Alhamdulillah saya sudah menerima bantuan Ramadan. Saya sangat bersyukur.
Bantuan seperti ini yang sangat kami harapkan karena langsung ke penerima, kepada fakir miskin. Jadi terima kasih yang tak terhingga kami ucapkan kepada donatur yang telah menyumbang bantuannya untuk masyarakat Kampung Payabaru. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.